This is an infomercial.
Do you care to improve your listening, writing, reading, and speaking skills? How about learning core courses in ICT, English language elocution, German language training, French language training, and certification? Also, training for international English language test systems. All these and more is what Juuldaam Training Academy offers.
In terms of development, industrializations, a lot has been done. But one of the things that we try as an organization to encourage our youth is to ensure that they get themselves trained, they have the right skills and knowledge in readiness to be used based on the few things that have been put on ground. Firstly, we talked about the nawedeyhere. That has been one of the major things that showed up recently. But the question is, are youth prepared? Juuldaam Engineering and HSC system is here available to run some of the safety courses that can align them and get them ready to support the requirement of this. Recently, we have some progress or prospects in terms of Ibom Seaport, and I want to share with us here that Juuldaam Engineering and HSC Systems Limited is currently running some marine-related trainings and also safety training as a corporate affiliate member of ISPON, Institute of Safety Professionals of Nigeria. We are there to prepare you for the challenges that is going to show up as soon as they commence activities from this Ibom Seaport. So what are we there for? We are there to train our team, our populace of the states, that in addition to your certificate from the conventional university, you need professional affiliations, certifications, that will be able to, straighten your path in terms of the requirement.
Introducing Juuldaam IELTS English Diction.
I'm your IELTS instructor here at Juuldaam Training Academy. We have trained subject matter experts on your IELTS. So for your IELTS exams, there are certain questions you'll be asked. So you have to know how to answer those questions. Another thing is, there are some words that are pronounced differently. For example, words like bottle. If they say bottle, is it American? Is it British? Is it United States? Is it Canadian? Who usually say bottle? Any idea? American, thank you very much.
German language training.
Ich habe gesagt, dass deutsche Sprache ist eine schöne Sprache. Es ist eine Sprache, dass wir alles mögen.
Kaffee. Bier. Dunkel. Kaffee. Bier.
And French Training Academy.
Pourquoi vous devez apprendre la langue française? J'aime la musique. Ici au Nigeria.
Juuldaam Training Academy is a training center for students, graduates, applicants, workers, especially you, dear listener.
We do a lot of safety training certifications. We have marine safeties, we have aviation safety, we have other tailored safety programs that will be able to prepare your mind, give you the right skill, give you the right knowledge, and build up the experience over time so that you can actually key in terms of the requirement of this. In terms of the marine, currently Juuldaam Engineering and HSC Systems has aligned with IMO and NIMASA, and currently having accreditations to function fully and have the approval to run the marine-related trainings like medical first aid, basic first aid, firefighting and preventions, just to ensure that our youth are there ready for that opportunity. It's not the opportunity waiting for them. Juuldaam currently is offering quality management systems training, the ISOs, all the ISOs, ISO 9001, 14005, 45001, both the internal and the lead auditors will position you available and create an opportunity in most of the organizations that you can be there and employed as internal auditor or lead auditor. With Juuldaam Engineering and HSC Systems Limited, we have an opportunities in foreign languages. We decided to bring this in so that will as well brighten the opportunities and give you that competitive advantage. What am I trying to say here? I have a first degree in engineering, for example, or I'm a medical doctor. and here you find yourself that you need to compete with some other person outside this country, even within. Or let's look at it in a German firm. That little baseline knowledge of German language will give you an advantage over the other person. So that's why Juuldaam Engineering and HSC Limited is offering, trainings and certifications in French languages, German language, Chinese language, and will also help our children that will be out there looking for an opportunity outside this country. Reflecting on whatever thing that's happened recently, the COVID, post-COVID incident, we never can tell what 2021 trend is going to look like.
Join Juuldaam Training Academy at number 59 Edet Akman Avenue, Uyo. For more, call 0904 545 5758. 0904 545 5758. Juuldaam Training Academy, enhancing opportunities through educational development and effective training.